In this second to last video, we're going to get the boss to be able to be destroyed, as well as these other individual guns here. So we'll do the boss core first. That's the sprite. Down here is the object. We're going to make a variable. It looks like I've already made it. Set variable ship health to 5,000. Collision with the object player bullet single. We're going to make sure that we can reduce that. So ship health is going to go to -50 relative. The lower you put that number, the longer it will take to hit the destroy the boss. So what we'll do in here is we'll have a test variable. If ship health is less than or equal to 0, we're going to do a whole bunch of things. We are going to destroy the boss. We're going to destroy the object low gun or pulse gun. We're going to destroy the object low gun. We're going to destroy any muzzle flashes as well. So that's object boss gun muzzle flash and object low gun muzzle flash. Okay, so we're going to destroy all those instances, and we're going to create an explosion self relative. Okay. Now, what we could do here as well is, I will leave that for now. So that will destroy the boss when it gets down to 0 health. Same thing for the object boss low gun. So if we go to here, we probably want this to be a bit smaller, so 1,000. And same deal in here. So control ship health -50 relative, and then we check if ship health so in here we want to check if ship health is equal to or less than 0. We're going to do what we did before, except we're only going to destroy, in this case I'm only going to destroy object low gun. Object low gun, and destroy object low gun muzzle flash. And I'll just change that one to self because this is the low gun. So I click OK, and I'll just go back and double check that boss core here, destroy self. Okay, cool. And then lastly, on the pulse gun, we're going to do the same thing. Set variable ship health to 1,000. Collision with that, we'll go ship health -50 relative. If ship health is less than or equal to 0, we are going to destroy self. Okay, because this one doesn't have a muzzle flash or anything, that's fine. That's all we need to do. Shouldn't be any errors. Now, just to test this, I'm going to turn this object controller down to 5, which should bring the boss in straight away. And I should be able to now test and see whether the boss destroys. It might take a while. I might have to use my shields depending on how good of a player I am. So the boss spawns in pretty much straight away. And now I should be able to destroy that low gun. I'm not sure how many hits it will take. There, that middle gun's gone now, so it's not going to be creating those bullets anymore. Let's try and get that low gun down. There, it's gone, so it's just left me with the boss, which should be pretty easy to destroy now. It's just going to take a lot more hits. Done. All right, so that's working. Except I just noticed something weird down the bottom here. Is that when I'm not pushing anything, my energy bar slowly refills for a long time. Which I don't want it to do. I want it to actually stop at 100. So what I can do there is energy in the object HUD. Sorry, on the player. On that step event, we'll go down and we'll make a new one down here. If object, ship energy is greater than 100. If it's greater than 100, ship energy, set it to 100. So that's not relative. Okay, we don't want to keep adding. So if it's greater than 100, we're going to set it to 100. That way, if it goes above 100, it's going to keep setting back at 100. It's going to stay there. All right. Now, the next video will be really just a guide, a how-to, rather than a tutorial. Okay, but you're going to need to create a title screen and a game over screen and a few different levels.